Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're looking at a specific supplement, H2Tab hydrogen water tablets. Our goal, cut through the hype. Miracle boost, or, maybe a total waste. We've got a detailed review to unpack for you.
Yeah, we're definitely getting into that whole area of like marginal gains here. For you listening, the real question isn't just, is it good?
Yeah.
But does it offer something measurable, something that actually justifies the cost and the effort involved?
Okay, right. So let's start basic. What are H2 tabs?
There are these little tablets, you drop one in water, it fizzes up. And the fizzing releases molecular hydrogen, H2, into the water.
And the claims are pretty big, right? Like more energy, faster recovery after exercise, antioxidant effects.
Exactly. And the science angle to why people are interested is kind of interesting. Molecular hydrogen is thought to be a selective antioxidant,
Selective, meaning what?
meaning unlike some antioxidants that just wipe everything out, H2 supposedly targets only the really nasty free radicals. We're talking things like hydroxyl radicals, the ones linked to stress, especially after, say, a hard workout. That's the theory behind the faster recovery claim.
Okay, and the company gives a specific number for how much hydrogen.
They do. They claim it can get up to 12 milligrams per liter of hydrogen dissolved in the water.
12 milligrams per liter. That sounds precise.
It is precise, and it's a pretty high concentration, near saturation, actually. It measures the potential. But the real question for you, the listener, is does that dose actually translate into a real effect once you drink it?
Which brings us to what people actually report experiencing. The review we looked at mentions some users definitely notice things. Better focus, maybe, or feeling less wiped out after training.
True. But, and this is a big but, we need to be critical here. Testimonials are one thing, but there's a known bias, right? You pay for something, you expect it to work.
The expectation effect.
Exactly. And the review's pretty clear. If you go in expecting some kind of miracle boost, like a huge energy surge, you're probably going to be disappointed. Any effects, if they happen, seem to be quite subtle.
So it sounds like this isn't something to fix a bad lifestyle.
Oh, absolutely not. It's positioned more as like a small niche extra. It's for people who already have their ducks in a row, good diet, sleep, regular exercise. It's not a foundation. It's maybe a tiny bit of polish.
Okay. And there are practical issues too, right? In actually using them day to day.
Definitely. The biggest one is how fast the hydrogen leaves the water. It's super volatile. So once that tablet dissolves, you basically need to drink the water straight away, like within minutes.
So you can't just make a bottle in the morning and sip it all day?
No way. You'd lose most of the hydrogen. Plus the reaction itself, how well it dissolves and releases H2. That can actually vary. It depends on things like water temperature, even the minerals already in your water.
Interesting. So consistency might be tricky.
It could be. And then there's the cost factor.
Right. If you're taking these every single day for that tiny potential edge.
It adds up. It definitely adds up. It pushes it into that sort of premium, maybe even luxury supplement category for a lot of people.
Okay, so summing it up, H2 tabs seem chemically sound. They do make hydrogen water at the concentration claimed.
Yes, the mechanism seems legitimate based on the chemistry.
But the actual benefit for the user is likely small. It depends heavily on you already being pretty healthy, and there are these practical hurdles.
That's a good summary. It's not a guaranteed wow supplement. It's conditional, highly conditional.
So considering all the hydrogen escaping quickly, the water chemistry variables, and the fact that you're drinking this right after dissolving it, often post-workout or first thing, here's something for you to mull over. How much of any positive feeling could just be down to drinking a good amount of water rapidly at those key moments? Simple rehydration improving blood flow, rather than the hydrogen itself. That's something to think about.